Good morning, my fellow subscribers, viewers, watchers, seers, audience out there in the world. Those who are in visual arts, those who like to paint, those who like to color, those who like to draw, and those who are in the mystical spiritual path, okay? This phase is going now, moving forward. This one is a very small piece of art. It's not a huge piece, and you may come across this phrase if you look up on YouTube, or you may come across this one, Kenshin Den, okay? And this is for prosperity, luck, okay? And all the symbols in here is for action, prosperity, luck, and effort and commitment, right? Even working on a piece of paper, even working on artwork, even doing something with your mind, something with your body, something with your soul, your energy and your force, where you commit your time, you commit your time to get it done, to complete something, right? You don't leave anything in the middle, right? So in this phase, I have this birds, angels, however you want to call it. Some people call it angels because they look like they're flying, right? Anyway, so the more decoration, in the symbolic language, in the symbols, the more you decorate your artwork, the grander it becomes, okay? It brings different dimensions, different light into your piece of artwork, okay? Now, this is artwork. This is drawing, painting, designing, implementing, and deploying. Well, these are technical terms, but you can use it in visual arts, right? Because there are certain technologies being used in arts, okay? You can use the stencils, you can do freehand drawing, vice versa. You do as you please. Do you what you like, right? If you love something, if you want it, if you desire it, it's going to be yours, right? It's going to be yours. But you got to put time, effort into this. It won't happen overnight. Nothing happens overnight. Success will take time. Trust me, it will take time. Okay, it will take time. So you need to put your time into it. The more time you put, the better you get. Practice, practice, practice. Practice, practice, practice. To master something, you must practice at all times, like I do. Every opportunity I get, I practice, right? To get somewhere in life, right? To be there. Maybe it's the journey. It's not the destination. Who knows, right? Who knows? Anyway, this is your host, DL. I'm grateful to all my subscribers. I'm grateful to all my viewers. I'm grateful to all my audience. And we'll see where I go with this one. Thank you. Bye.